Today we're going to do this cool macrame, so please subscribe to my channel. Okay, so you need to cut 24 pieces of rope. Each one is in about 3 meters length. Then you take each rope and you find the middle with the loop and you're doing the first knot. You have the links to the products down below the video. Just add all the ropes that you cut. Now I'm doing the square knot. So I take the right rope and I put it above all the ropes, and the left rope I should put above the rope and behind and through the loop. And for the second part of this knot, I'm doing the same but opposite. So I'm taking the left rope and I put it above all the ropes. The right rope I will put above, behind and through the loop. With this type of knot, I'm going to do all this macrame. After I did a full row with the square knot, I'm doing the second row, but I'm leaving out 2 right ropes and then 2 left ones. Now for this part, I'm taking the right rope and I put it above all the ropes. I'm taking the second rope and I put it above and through the loop. And I do this type of knot twice for each rope until I finished in the middle. For the other side, I'm doing basically the same but opposite again. So I'm taking the left rope and I'm taking the second rope and I put it above and through the loop, and I do it twice also for each one until we finish in the middle. In the middle part, I'm doing a square knot. Now to finish all this macrame, I'm cutting extra rope about 50 centimeters length and finding the middle. I'm putting it behind all the ropes that my loop is on the left side. Then I'm taking one of the ropes from the right side and I put it through the loop. Now I'm creating with the right rope another loop on the right side and I'm putting the left rope through the loop again. And this is how we do it. And you can do it as long as you want.